I'm Craig, a park ranger with the National Park Service. Welcome to Hamilton Grange National Memorial here in Harlem, New York. Hamilton Grange was the home of Alexander Hamilton from the time of its construction in 1802 up until his death in his famous duel with Aaron Burr in 1804. Hamilton Grange has been owned and operated as a historic house museum by the National Park Service since 1962. Alexander Hamilton hired architect John McComb Jr. to design his house, and it was done in what was known as the Federal style. One of the major facets of the Federal style was symmetry and balance, and you can see the symmetry in the porches, the positioning of the windows, and the central door here on the outside of the house. You may be surprised to learn that Hamilton Grange has actually been moved twice, and it's been at this location here at the northern end of St. Nicholas Park since it was moved by the National Park Service in 2008. So this is the foyer of Hamilton Grange. This is the first thing that you would see on entering the house, would be these tall ceilings, these angled symmetrical doors that lead to these octagonal rooms. They're all framed by this beautiful archway, and we believe that right in the center of it, Alexander Hamilton did display a bust like the one that we see right here. In fact, this bust is Alexander Hamilton himself. In 2008, Hamilton Grange was moved to this location, and that move was followed by an extensive 3-year renovation. And part of that was the restoration of these moldings that you see here that are original to Alexander Hamilton's time. This was Alexander Hamilton's office. This is where he would work when he was living at the Grange. These two desks that you see right here are both reproductions of desks that were actually owned by Alexander Hamilton. This is a reproduction of his writing desk. This is a reproduction of his traveling desk, which was also known at the time as a laptop. And like a laptop today, it could actually fold up and be carried with him like a briefcase. All the colors of paint you see on this floor of the house are based on the original layers of paint. When Alexander lived here, the walls were actually painted this color, but it was known to be an expensive shade of paint, and one of the ingredients used to create this shade was arsenic. This was the formal dining room of the Grange, and we call it the formal dining room because we believe the family would have taken a lot of their private meals downstairs in the basement. This house was really designed for summertime weather. We have these tall ceilings and these tall windows and these very massive doors that allows for excellent airflow. The tall windows also allow for great natural light, and if you wanted to maximize the light that you had in this room, all you had to do was close those 3 doors, and each one is mirrored on the back side of it, like the door that you see right there. While this platter is the only piece in this room that was originally owned by Alexander Hamilton, everything that you see here was meticulously restored by the National Park Service, and hopefully it gives you some idea as to what a meal here in this room would have been like. The parlor has the most original pieces in it that belong to Alexander Hamilton of any room in the house. 5 of these chairs, specifically these 2 here and these 3 here, are the original chairs that Hamilton owned, and the rest of them are reproductions we had created so you could see what his original set of furniture looked like. We also have this piano, which was owned by Alexander Hamilton's daughter, Angelica Hamilton. Ultimately, the parlor served Alexander Hamilton's original intended function for this house, a place where he could spend time with his family and with his friends. Hamilton Grange National Memorial serves as a living monument to the legacy of Alexander Hamilton. I hope that you enjoyed your look at the house today, and please come and visit us soon.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.